first year undergraduates, we annually organize the event called HR Flash 2016. And this time, the responsibility is ours. We told this is an action learning project because we separate our first year undergraduates into 8 groups and give them specific tasks, specific projects to complete. After the completion of this project, they have to present these projects through presentations in front of the professionals in the industry. And this was an invaluable experience for us.
The Department of Human Resource Management of the University of Kelaniya has been really diversified in our learning methods and teaching methods. When it comes to the delivery of our course curriculum to our undergraduates, postgraduates and our diploma holders, the HRM department and the Kelaniya University has been taking a leading edge in the country, contributing to the development of profession of human resource management. This HR Flash is the final event of the first year's action learning project demonstration, and they have been given 10 projects. So through these 10 action learning projects, the students have spent their 2 months time to do this individual project. Through these challenging action learning projects, what we are trying to achieve is just to stimulate a business working context in the university and exposing the students to learn by doing. So the trend is basically to demanding more soft skill. So the department actually has developed the competency profile for our undergraduates. There we have 3 sort of competencies. The core is the technical competencies, where the students are basically gaining the exposure in human resource management practices. Second component, intermediary set of competencies, are competitive competencies. Now these competitive competencies mainly focus on the soft skills development that really enable students to gain a competitive advantage when they face interviews or else when they just work in the industry. And the third level is the sustainable competencies. The sustainable competencies make sure the students actually perform and deliver the results where they work for. So this our competency triangulation is basically embedded in our curriculum development, and this HR Flash is a part of this competency development. Thank you.
Hello everyone. We did 8 projects. Those are industry visit, religious perspective into HR, nature into HR, conducting a survey, CSR project, panel discussion, bringing HR into traditional paddy field, and HR innovation. With this project, we got a lot of experience and we faced so many challenges. We achieved our target with the help of our head of the department, lecturers, and academic and non-academic staff, and my friends.
The event day, the special and huge day for us. When we were organizing this event, first we had to find financial assistance for industry. Not only that, we had to inform to group time allocations for their presentation. As well as we had to face some difficulties as a first year undergraduate, but we didn't discourage as our lecture panel is always with us.
This flash event is very effective to build up our communication skills, professional skills, team working skills, and also our friendships. We had a lot of work to do as a separate teams, but every time we help to each other and we work as a one team. I think that's the most important and most special thing of our HR family.
First year undergraduates, it was a great opportunity to us to build up new relationships with industry people. Our final output is HR Flash Magazine. It includes all the 8 projects that we did in separate groups.
To promote our HR Flash event, we got help from TV Derana, and also we used internal and external promotions such as posters and banners.
First of all, I would like to thank Head of the Department, Dr. B.U. Mohan, lecturers, Michelle Madam, Dinati Madam, and academic and non-academic staff. Thank you all whoever supported us to success this event.